Hey, what's up geeks, Ian here once again and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video, we will be taking a break from smartphones, smartwatch, or wearable devices, but instead, we will be having a good look into this. The ASUS ZenBook 13 UX325. This is a refreshed version of the popular ZenBook 13 which was released last 2018. So it's quite refreshing to see a familiar machine with an updated internals and of course, more stylish aesthetics. So, guys, I am quite elated to take this out of the box and I know you are too, so let's not keep you waiting. Let's go! So the ASUS ZenBook 13 UX325 comes with a slate gray box, which is quite similar to the previously released ZenBook 13 variant. We have a very generous set of out-of-the-box items, the 65-watt power adapter with USB-C power cable, a good-looking protective sleeve, USB Type-A to LAN dongle, and a USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack dongle. And yes, you got it right guys. The ZenBook 13 UX325 does not have an audio jack. So the ZenBook 13 UX325 poses to be a device for those who want power without sacrificing style. So this laptop is slimmer and more compact to other laptops in its price range. So as you can see, our unit comes with a very interesting colorway. It's called the Pine Gray. So the tone of this color comes off as a darker shade of gray, but I love it very much. Just like the previous model, this one also comes with a spun metal design. The company called it the Zen design, so it's a spun metal. As you can see, there is a concentric circle, but this time, the logo or the ASUS branding has been moved, or it is now up-centered to the left. So also, if you notice guys, the laptop has a shiny exterior, so I think you can notice that there are some areas here that has fingerprints already, but for me, it's not that big of a deal. So yes guys, it has an all-metal construction, and I think for one, if you go out, which by the way we're not allowed at this time, but in any way that you can go out, this will definitely stand out in coffee shops or in libraries, wherever you want to go. I also love the diamond trimmed chamfer over here. If you can see it, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's some kind of a silver accent here. This is a diamond cut edge. So basically it gives off another premium layer to the design and to the overall aesthetics of the laptop itself. So also the laptop rocks an ASUS only ErgoLift module, which provides comfortable handling and typing experience by elevating the hinge area into a specified angle. This feature also facilitates added cooling and enforce better audio experience. So this may sound a cliche guys, but I think you heard this before. This 13.3-inch laptop is designed from an 11-inch body. It's very portable guys. It only weighs 1 kilogram, so I think it doesn't have a heft to it, and you can carry this around wherever you want to work in your house. Opening the laptop's lid, you'll be drawn to the proportionally larger display. ASUS called this 13-inch LED backlit panel the 4-sided nano edge display. Turning the laptop on reveals a bright 450 nit 1-watt display. Comparing the screen size to the entire panel, you'll get an 88% screen-to-body ratio. This top bezel is also thin despite having an IR camera here. And I think the left and the side bezels are quite thin also. But I'm not sure about the bottom bezel because we have an ASUS ZenBook branding here. So I think the 4-sided nano edge display is not really that accurate. But I think the display quality is quite okay. The contrast is good. It also has a good color accuracy. And also, the viewing angles are quite generous enough for me. At the heart of the ASUS ZenBook 13 UX325 is Intel's Core i5-1035G1 processor and Intel UHD graphics. So the 8 gigs of RAM is more than enough for most tasks intended for this laptop. There's also a roomy 512 gigs of storage for your multimedia files. And on top of that, this computing machine is powered by the Intel Wi-Fi 6. Okay, ASUS also claims that this is the thinnest 13-inch laptop with full I/O support. Wait, but that is if you don't consider the 3.5mm audio jack a port. But anyways, on the left side, we have an HDMI port and two Thunderbolt capable USB Type-C port. This also houses the LED indicator when you're charging. Meanwhile, the right side is also a home to a USB 3.2 Type A port and the micro SD card reader. ASUS intros the edge-to-edge keyboard, which covers almost the whole keyboard section of the laptop. The power button is still on the right side of the delete key, which still poses accidental presses that pushes the laptop in sleep mode. But as a previous ZenBook 13 owner, I think you'll get the hang of it over time. So this full-size chiclet keyboard is very convenient and very comfortable to use. I also love the travel distance of the keys because there's a certain good amount of feedback to the keys when you try to press it. And also the touchpad doubles as the number pad 2.0. This is an integrated LED numeric keypad, so it's also worth noting that you can still use the touchpad when the number pad is activated. So far, the ASUS ZenBook 13 UX325 is a fusion of beauty and the beast. It seems to have all the muscle that you need for your daily tasks. You would wonder where all this power came from with it being a stylish yet minute piece of slab. So the ASUS ZenBook 13 UX325 doubles down in its value for money prowess. So with a price point of $54,995, I think it's one of the most affordable, ultra-portable laptops that you can find in the market right now. So very excited to try this out for a review, and I will let you know guys what are the key features that I want with this laptop. And if ever you have questions, don't forget to comment down below and I will be including that one in my review. So deal? Okay. So I think that's it for me guys. Thank you very much for joining me for another video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button below and hit that bell notification icon so that you will be notified when we publish new videos. So once again, thank you for joining me geeks. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.